Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get into your social studies online textbook. So the first thing we want to do is to open up a new window, and let's see, there's my window. Okay, you will want to go to your KCloud, and when you get into KCloud and that opens up, you're going to go down here to the bottom to your digital backpack. Let that load up, and yours is going to look a little bit different than mine, but you're going to go scroll down to find social studies, and we're going to come over here and click on the Pearson tile. When that opens up, again, yours is going to look a little bit different than mine, but you are going to go down here to on the right side and click on that says Realize. And over here on the right side where it says My World Social Studies, go ahead and click on that. Okay, and this is actually going to pull up your social studies book. So you have all the chapters. We are actually starting on chapter 3, so I'm going to click on that, Settlements Take Root. And then we are reading lesson 1 today, so the Spanish colony in the Americas. So we're going to click there. And now we're going to go down to the experience, and we're going to go to student eText with audio. Okay, so when we click on that, okay, this pulls up your textbook. You can scroll down and read all of what you need to read. And then you come down here to the bottom when you're ready to move on to the next page and click Next. And if you want it to read to you, you can come up here at the top and you can click
American Indians in New Spain had very little control
right there to read. If you need to ever write something, you can come over here and you can click a text box and you can type in whatever you need to type in here. If you wanted to draw a picture of something, you could draw a picture. So you could do that like that. If you wanted to erase, you could erase whatever you wrote. Also, if you need to move this, you can drag this here and you can move it wherever you would like to move it. If you need to go back to the previous page, you can click the back button, and you can continue until you reach the end of your lesson. Okay, so today we are reading all of lesson 1. So you're going to read until you get, we're not going to do this page, but until you get here, then you can stop reading, and then you can open up your social studies Google Classroom. And remember, you can do that by clicking on that waffle, going to your classroom, and you can click whatever class you're in. So I'm going to do my homeroom, Tatter Social Studies, go to classwork, click on that journal, and open that up. Okay, so today what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down, and this is probably not the best one to go to. Let me open up somebody's journal to show you what you need to do. Okay, so we're going to go down, all the way down to the bottom probably. Okay, this is called a cover page, so we changed our title to Chapter 3, Settlements Take Root, and that Lesson 1 was called The Spanish Colony in the Americas. We wrote what that colony was called, and we inserted a picture that had to do with the first colony of St. Augustine. I also put in a map that shows you where St. Augustine and all the other early colonies that we're going to read about were at. And then down here there's a drag and drop. So we only read about St. Augustine, so you're going to fill out the who was already filled out for you, the what, the when, and the why. And again, you can just pick one of these and drag it to where you think it needs to be. If you need to go back to your reading, you can go back there and find your answers. Okay, good luck. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.